Alright guys, so we are back with another trade recap video, and today we made a little bit over 3 grand, so I'm going to be going over exactly what my thought process was, what the execution was, and the trade I took. So let's get right into that. So come market open, let's see, 9:30. We have this 3-minute BPR right here. That I like that zone, but I kind of didn't want to see it get tapped into until after the 10 a.m. open. Which you see come New York Open, we pretty much tap into it right away and respect it. And also, my thought process going into today was I wanted to see us tap into this 3-minute BPR and then take out this 15-minute fair value gap that was untested right here. Untested 15-minute. So I wanted to see us come into here and rise up to here, but I wanted to see it happen after 10 a.m. So I didn't catch that first movement up, unfortunately. But pretty much exactly what I thought, exactly what I wanted to happen. Tapped into this 3-minute BPR, and then following this, we do end up tapping into this 15-minute untapped fair value gap, and then 10 a.m. opens right around here, and this is what I based the trade-off of that I took. Off the 3-minute, we formed a rejection block right here off the sweep of the 10 a.m. open. So for what I wanted to see was it tap back into EQ of this rejection block with the standard 10-point stop. I just targeted a fixed 3R. But I was also willing to take this 3-minute BPR down here at EQ. But as you can see, we come down here and pretty much edges us, misses it by like 2 points right here. So we missed this fill. And the reason why I still kept this limit even after it dropped all this was because we didn't sweep out this external low right here. So following this, once it taps back into EQ of this rejection block, I pretty much get entered with my standard 10-point stop, and I just targeted a fixed 3R. As we can see right here, we got tapped in and pretty much went straight to TP almost instantly. And that was essentially the trade that I took. Um, Pretty simple. There's no reason to complicate trading. I missed my first entry right here, unfortunately, but this one was based off of we had this 1-minute order block line on top of this 3-minute equilibrium of the rejection block, and we also just had that key level at 10 a.m. open, a hold in significance. So that was pretty much the trade I took today. I was kind of upset we missed this first trade down here just because it missed us by I think it literally missed us by 2 points, right? And then it decided to run up another 100, so that would have been a sweet trade to be a part of. But after I missed this first trade, I did just play more conservative because once I once I don't get that first trade that I like to play the next few more conservatively just because normally once you miss that first movement, it's kind of chopped after that. But we still managed to make it out green today with the short off of this 3-minute rejection block that formed off of the 10 a.m. key open. And it was a good thing we just targeted fixed 3R because we would have got stopped out if we targeted any of these lows down here. But yeah, that's gonna wrap up this recap. We made a little bit over 3 grand today off of this because it was just about, it was like $302 or something like that, 300 and something dollars across 10 accounts. So that's where we got that 3 grand, and that's why it is important to stack funded accounts, because that $300 one just turned into a 3 grand one because we're copy trading 10 accounts. So if you liked the video, guys, learned something new, like and subscribe. And as you know, the Discord is free, where I teach all the confluences I use. And then I also do have a offered mentorship if you do find that necessary, but majority of everything is free in the server. So I'll catch y'all on the next one.